Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and this is a new series of Java tutorial for beginners. And in this, I will teach you the basics of Java. So let's begin. So the first is you have to know that is what is Java. So Java is a popular programming language which was created in 1995, and it was owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices runs Java. In the past, the old mobile phones used to used applications like .jar format applications, and currently we are using .apk applications. All of this is made with Java. So next, what you know is what are its uses, means where are it used for. And it is used in mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web servers and application servers, games, database connections, and much more. There are no limitations for where to use this programming language. You can use it in anywhere. And the next thing what we have to know is why we should use Java, because there are plenty of other programming languages which you can use. So Java works on different platforms. In any window, or sorry, in any operating system, you can run Java. It don't have any limitations, and it is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. You can learn it easily, and its implementation is also very simple. It is an open source and free. So the software development kits or and JDK, all of those you can get anywhere for free. Means it does not cost anything, and it is secure, fast, and powerful. It has high community support, means millions of people use it. So they have different solutions to many problems which are already given in the internet. And Java is an object oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development cost. Means once you have written a code somewhere, you can run it anywhere. Means suppose you have written a code in a Windows PC, and then you want to run it in a Mac or Linux PC, then you can do that by simply copy and pasting the program in the particular place in the particular operating system, and then run it. And how to do it, I will show you in the next video. And also Java is close to C++ and C sharp, means it has many similarities with C++ and C sharp. It makes this it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Means if you already know C++ or C sharp, then from there it would be easy for you to understand the Java. And if you are using Java and you want to learn C++ or C sharp, then it will be easy for you to go in that language. And the syntax is this syntax you can see here. To print a hello world, you have to give a public class and the name to the class. Then you have to specify public static void main, then string argument, and within system.out.println you can write hello world. Means anything what you want to print, but we usually start with hello world. And here you can see system.out.println, and if you write print, the word will be given in the same line. Means after this, if you have any other sentence, then it will be printed after this only, means in the same line. Or as we have given here println, that means after printing we will go to the next line. println is basically going to the next line after printing the particular value which is already there. So in detail I will tell you about this in my future videos, and till then, take care, and in next video I will start with the how to set up your PC to run Java programs. So till then, take care and goodbye.